Some people just love egg biryani. Today I'm going to make this Bombay egg biryani, in which we're going to use the potatoes, and the masala I use for the chicken biryani and the egg biryani, same masala. Namaste, salam alaikum, sat sri akal. Welcome back to another session with your Vahchef at whatever.com. And today we're going to make Mumbai egg biryani. And first we're going to see how this masala we need to make, so that when the masala is perfect, your biryani will be super. So I'm adding some red chilies, cardamom, cinnamon, bay leaf, dry ginger, some nutmeg, black cardamom, coriander seeds, peppercorn, clove, fennel seeds, some cumin seeds, the shahjeera, what we call caraway seeds. Factory made masala they make, they add even garlic. So I slice the garlic. By the time these ones get heated, this will also dry out. A little bit of mint, which will also dry out. We're going to slowly dry roast these ingredients on a very slow flame for around 5 minutes. Spices, everything got dried out. After this cooling down, put it in a blender, make this into a fine powder. Now another thing you will find in the store-bought masala is you will see some of the coarse ground masala. In this we're going to add bay leaf, some fennel, coriander seeds, green cardamom, cinnamon stick, the clove, everything, and we're going to coarsely crush it. A little bit of MSG with the whole spices and just mix all of this. Another ingredient you will find is the prunes, the albukar dried ones. Along with this, the crushed masala I'm adding with that MSG, and in this, the blended masala. This is what you will find in most of the Bombay masala store bought. So this is ready. This is the same masala what I made for my chicken biryani also. So let's go ahead and make the egg biryani. Add oil in the pan. Add whole garam masala, the bay leaf, the clove, cardamom, cinnamon. This is just extra flavoring. In this we're going to add onion, and this onion, no matter what biryani, onions always give the best flavor. We're going to add some salt, and we're going to fry these onions till they are slightly colored. When the onions are getting slightly colored, you can see that little coloring also makes a lot of difference. In this, add ginger garlic paste. We're going to add the pieces of potato. Since egg, I have already boiled them, I'm going to add when the masala is all ready. In this, add some chilli paste, tomatoes, mint leaf, some chopped coriander. So this is the masala with some albukar, and this will give a very nice taste to our biryani. Add some water. None of the masalas will burn and everything will cook good. For the nice flavor, I'm going to add some yogurt. We're going to let this cook till the potatoes are half cooked. We're going to put the lid on and we're going to let it cook on a slow flame for around 6-7 minutes. I'm going to let this potato masala cook on the other stove and let me cook the rice to perfection. Make sure the water is boiling. Add salt, add oil. Make sure the water tastes like sea salt water. Today I'm going to use the regular rice to make this biryani. You got to cook the process in the same way. It is true that the normal rice will not have the flavor of the good basmati rice, but we can always add a little bit of shahjeera, add a little bit of mint also in the water. The Bombay biryani masala, I'm going to add very little. This all together will make this rice nice and good. Whenever you using the small grain of rice, still make it must flavorful. The rice is almost getting done. I'll bring back potato masala. You can see the gravy is all nicely cooked. In this, we're going to drop in the eggs. You don't have to do anything. How many ever eggs you want, you can put them in. I know I have met so many people who prefer normal rice to the basmati rice, but still you can make it with the regular rice also. So this rice is also just like basmati rice. I have cooked it till this is almost 80% done. Pour the rice on top. This will again give that nice flaky texture. Top it off with mint, coriander, some of that saffron water. This is not the basmati rice. I am just going to give it a little bit of touch up of ghee. This much should be good enough. Put the lid on. Let it cook on a slow flame for 5 minutes and switch off the flame, and then you will have very good biryani. Here is our egg biryani ready and we're going to serve it. But I have to confess, see, I've asked my guys to soak the basmati rice, but they soaked ordinary rice. It doesn't matter because even with ordinary rice, you can make excellent biryani. So these things happen. You should understand that I will do it only when I know for sure it will come out nice and excellent. Even with ordinary rice, the rice will come out perfect. This, anybody can do this very easily. From underneath, we're going to get the eggs, everything out. Look at this beautiful egg with the rice. Wow. And with the potato, this is ready to be served and you get excellent biryani. Watch another wow magic with Chef Mani. I love egg and potato fried rice, which I have made recently also on the show. But this egg and potato biryani is again a great combination. The next recipe after this biryani will be spicy balti potatoes, which is very loved in Birmingham region in London. So I want you to watch that. But before that, we're going to enjoy this awesome egg biryani. And trust me, I brought in the best flavor just by using ordinary rice also. This, Whenever you're boiling the eggs for biryani, just boil for 6 minutes. Remove the shell again, because when you cook it again, the yolk have to be nice and yellow. So I was able to achieve it because I did it perfectly. You have to watch my video on how to boil the eggs. But when you make biryani this good, eggs, I love them. Many times I've told you I have won the egg eating competition. It's done perfectly with Bombay biryani masala. It is awesome. Continue to watch the video because next is going to be spicy balti potatoes. We're going to make spicy balti potatoes, which don't add any powders. Just crush some of the spices and add. Here I have got some fenugreek seeds, some fennel seeds, some cumin seeds. All we're going to do is kind of slightly crush it. Not too much, do not make it like a powder. The fragrance will come out a lot when you do this. For making this recipe, I have taken red chilli cut into flakes. Boil the potatoes, cut them into small thin slices. For making this recipe, add some oil. We're going to add this fennel, the jeera and the mustard and the methi dana, red chilli flakes. The flavor will immediately infuse into the oil. In this, add curry leaf, add garlic, ginger, slices of onion, and you can add lots of this. Add salt and just toss this. Brown the onions slightly, means some of the thin slices in here will get slightly colored. In this, add some chili. I've got some nice red chili and they are not spicy but very colorful. In this, add the potatoes. The recipe is as simple as this. Just let it fry for 2-3 minutes. Add little salt, the fine tune, the seasoning. Finish it off by sprinkling some chopped coriander. Beautiful, nice restaurant style potato fry. Usually this goes as a great accompaniment with many of the curries. This is what I call fully flavored potatoes and perfect. These kinds of potato, they are great accompaniment, and even with biryanis, pulaus or whatever, these things on the side. Wow. When I had a restaurant in Chicago, a lot of Americans and non-Indians who came, if I gave them nice tossed potato with something like this, they would be like going, wow, Up literally whatever. Keep cooking great food and enjoy simple but yet very, very flavorful recipes. This is one among them. Make it, eat it, and keep saying whatever.